my room, and this is pretty much an overview of it, you know? This is just what it looks like when you walk in. I'm gonna go into depth, but yeah. So this is just the back of my door, which you guys have seen, it's the same. But I added a young Jared Leto picture. This is my dresser here. Pretty basic. I got this online at some place, so I don't really know where it's from. That's my fish. This is the cup I'm drinking out of right now. This is my fish, Atticus fish. Isn't he cute? Then I just have a bunch of stuff here. This is my miscellaneous things because I never know where to put them. My friend Kyle got that for me, so yeah. This is my piano. These are my scripts. But this is my piano. This is where I practice, pretty much. Those are my bags, my dance bag. This is my bed. This is where everybody wants to know, you know, what, like, how do you sleep, Raelyn? And all of that. So this is pretty much, I'm going to go into depth where everything's from. This tapestry is from Amazon. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was a gift. I asked my cousin. This is from Target. That is from, I think, TJ Maxx. My grandma got it for me. I asked where it was from. My sheets and bedding and all of that is all from Target. Everything here is from Target, except this thing. I really don't know where it's from. I got it. This is my mirror. This is where I take selfies and all of that. Right here. Here is my photo wall. If you ever taken a picture with me, got me a postcard, I would put it here. Looks really cool. Sweet 16s. Me, Alex, and Cassie, and Urban Outfitters. One of the colleges I'm really interested in is Pratt. So I have a little poster right there. And this is just another college. It's Cabrini, I believe. Here's just a little chair if anybody wants to sit. This is a beanbag chair. Here is my record player. This is where kind of all the fun begins. Here's some bands that I really like. And just I have a cactus and this little candle thing. Looks really cool. This is my nerd shelf. This is like action figures and all of that jazz that I have here from shows, movies. Here's my Harry Potter shrine, which looks really cool. And then up there are all my trophies and crowns and kind of everything I got from dance. Here's another window here. Here is the coolest wall in my room. A lot of people have told me. I have a bunch of flower crowns for my Sweet 16, which was like bohemian themed and kind of like all that. And I had so many extra because nobody took their home. So I just hung it up on my wall. And then I have these cool little signs. This one sounds a little weird, but I really like that one. And then I have a picture of Captain Jack Sparrow, cause yes, thanks DJ. This is where I do all of my makeup. This is where I get ready, you know. Like most is this section that I have really organized. It's kind of like all my skincare stuff that I use on daily. So if you guys want to see a skincare routine, comment below. And then there's my phone. I have a little light. Oh, what's that, you ask? Subscribe. Haha. Okay, so this is where my TV stuff is and all of that. The last shelf has a bunch of books. That's my camera bag. But yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so this is my closet. A lot of you ask, what's in my closet? And how do I keep it organized? So I'm gonna show you all. I used to organize my shoes. Except those, I just threw them in there for now. But I kind of organize them by like what I wear to like what I kind of like least wear or newest to oldest. I color coded them, but yeah. So this side is a little messy. These are all my sweatpants in here, so yeah. But these are my shirts, like t-shirts. This just has my sweatshirts. And then down there is all my school stuff. So all school t-shirts and what that all is. This is my actual closet though. This is where all the fun stuff is, you know, jackets and all of that. So yeah. Here are kind of all my jeans and all my pants, except this is a leather jacket. But I try to organize that. And all down there is all boots, all like winter boots and all that kind of stuff. I don't don't know if I'm in frame or not. I also don't know what I look like right now. But thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you guys want to see from me now that it's 2018. That kind of rhymes. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!